Good day everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video we're reviewing Cloud9 Daily Restore, a supplement claiming to help with alcohol recovery, liver health and energy. So guys, Cloud9 Daily Restore from trycloud9.com says it's your all-in-one fix after drinking, packed with thiamine, milk thistle and nag to detox and recharge. It's pitched as a science backed by docs like Dr. Robin, Taranella, targeting folks who want to bounce back. Sounds promising, but the hype's got some cracks. So the goods. The ingredients like thiamine and milk thistle have real research for liver support and energy, solid picks. A few ex-users say they feel less foggy after a night out, and the 30-day refunds are plus. Made in the US, no wild side effects reported. It's got some legit vibes. Now the cons. No clinical trials prove this formula works, just ingredient claims. Expos flag weak results for some. And the price, $59 a bottle. Right now it's, let's see. So 1 month, yeah, all about 54, yeah, something like that. It feels steep, sketchy ads and no FDA approval, raise flags as well. Could be more hype than help. So legit or a scam, Cloud9 Daily Restore isn't a total scam. The science is there-ish, but unproven claims and cost make it a gamble. Might help light drinkers, but not, big drinkers. Tried it, share below, like and subscribe guys. See you next time.